Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Close your eyes and imagine America in the 1950s. Big dreams, booming economy, and cars that look like they came straight out of the future. Now open your eyes, because today, we're looking at one of the most iconic luxury cars ever built, the 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. This isn't just a car. It's a statement of power, prestige, and pure automotive art. To truly appreciate this car, we need to understand its roots. Cadillac, a brand under General Motors, was already known as the standard of the world. But the Eldorado lineup was something even more special. It represented the absolute peak of Cadillac luxury. The name Biarritz itself was inspired by a glamorous resort city in France, reflecting elegance and exclusivity. In 1957, Cadillac pushed design and engineering to new heights. The Eldorado Biarritz was produced in limited numbers, making it rare even in its own time. Owning one back then meant you had truly made it. Exterior. Let's take a deep dive into the exterior, because this is where the car becomes unforgettable. First, the tailfins. These are not just design elements, they are symbols of the jet age. Inspired by fighter jets and rockets, they represent speed, innovation, and the future. The rear end features sharply pointed fins with integrated bullet-style tail lights, giving the car a dramatic and aggressive stance. Moving along the sides, you'll notice long, flowing body lines, chrome trim running across the length, wide white wall tires that complete the vintage look. At the front, the bold egg crate grille dominates the design, paired with dual headlights and heavy chrome bumpers. And let's not forget, this is a convertible. With the top down, the car transforms into a rolling piece of luxury that connects you directly with the road and the sky. Every inch of this car was designed to impress, and it still does, decades later. Interior. Step inside, and you're stepping into a world of 1950s luxury. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather, offering both comfort and elegance. The color combinations were bold and stylish, reflecting the personality of the era. Inside, you'll find features that were incredibly advanced for the time. Power windows, power seats, signal-seeking radio, memory seat function, yes, even back then. The dashboard is a beautiful mix of chrome, polished surfaces, and classic gauges. Everything is designed to feel premium and futuristic. The steering wheel is large, stylish, and easy to handle, perfect for smooth cruising. This interior wasn't just about driving. It was about making every journey feel like a first-class experience. Performance. Now let's talk about what lies beneath the hood. The 1957 Eldorado Biarritz is powered by a 365 cubic inch V8 engine, producing around 325 horsepower. For its time, this was serious performance. It also features heavy checkmark dual 4-barrel carburetors, heavy checkmark smooth shifting automatic transmission, heavy checkmark rear-wheel drive setup. On the road, the car delivers a silky smooth ride. The suspension is soft and comfortable, designed to absorb bumps and keep passengers relaxed. Acceleration is strong, especially for a luxury car of this size. But the real magic is in the cruising experience, long highways, open skies, and effortless motion. This is not a sports car. This is a luxury cruiser built for comfort, style, and presence. Glowing star, why it's special 9:30 to 10:30. Close-up beauty shots, slow fades. So what makes the 1957 Eldorado Biarritz truly special? It's the combination of bold, futuristic design, advanced features for its time, powerful V8 performance, limited production and exclusivity. It represents a time when car manufacturers weren't afraid to dream big and turn those dreams into reality. The 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of an era defined by ambition, creativity, and luxury. Even today, it stands as one of the most beautiful and desirable classic cars ever made. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates timeless design, this car leaves a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible classic car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.